Fairview Heating and Air Conditioning. We're a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1988. We are a 31-year-old family-owned HVAC company. We do sales and service to residential and light commercial. We are a flat rate and not a time and material. We flat rate it, which means we give you the price up front for the repair. That is it. Whether it takes them 5 minutes or it takes them 5 days, that is what you pay. All of our technicians are background checked. It helps give you a peace of mind to the homeowners, and it also is a requirement for any of our government work that we do. Being a union shop, our employees, our total package benefits is about 3 times what the non-signatory companies are paying. I could compete a lot better with lower pricing if I paid the guys a lot less, but I think the benefits and everything speak for themselves when it comes to being in a union. We are your hometown air conditioning company and heating. We service all residential brands. We do install only one brand. Our brand is called the American Pride Series. It comes with outstanding warranties. Ours also, when you get up into the very premium lines, have a lifetime replacement warranty. If a major component of it fails, like a heat exchanger or a compressor, they will give you a brand new full unit. So nobody else is doing that. And it is all built here in the United States. I stand behind America, so we try to sell all products that are built here. We've been voted #1 in the Oakley Press. We make it into the Oakley Press as the top 2 to 3 every year.